Tweety, which you can see over here on the right side of my screen, is a macOS Twitter client that was recently acquired by Twitter. It may have a name change in the coming months, so if you can't find it, try looking for Twitter for Macintosh. I'm hoping that might be the name. There's also iPhone and iPad versions, and I demo those in other videos. Tweety has a very simple interface. When you first open it up after logging in, what it does is it shows you your personal timeline. As you can see, these are the tweets that have come in, and they're the same tweets that you would see on your home page. Here's the home page right here. Tweety will automatically refresh the tweets periodically, so it'll add the new tweets to the top of the list and it will scroll them down. What it also does, as you can see here, is if you have any @replies or @mentions, it gives them a different color so they really stand out. These buttons here allow you to change the display of what's showing in the main window. The top button here shows you your home page or your main timeline. The next button down shows you your @replies and @mentions. These are any time that your account is mentioned on Twitter. So it could be a reply directly to you, or it could be a mention, someone just mentioning your Twitter name. The next one down is for your direct messages, and what you'll see is a list of the people who have been in touch with you, and you'll see numbers showing the number of tweets that went on between you. If you click one of these, you'll see the actual conversation. So if this had gone on from multiple messages, you would actually see it appearing here like a chat. And you can always go back to the main page by clicking this again. And then the last button is for search, and you could just type in a search word or phrase up here and it would get results. If you wanted to post a new tweet from within Tweety, you can click down here and get a new window, and then you can just type your tweet right in here. When you click Post, it appears in your timeline right up here, and then when we refresh Twitter, it might take a moment for it to appear, it would appear here as a new tweet. We could refresh this page, and then you'd see it right here. And there it is. If you point to a tweet and then you right-click on it, you'll see some other options. So you can reply to it, you can repost it, which is basically retweeting it. You can copy a link to the tweet. You can send a direct message to this person, mark it as a favorite, or open it in the browser. That means just go into the web browser and open that tweet. We'll see what that looks like here. This is opening the exact tweet that she did. What I like about Tweety is that its simple interface takes up very little space on screen. I think it's a great option for accessing Twitter from a Mac.